Hello, welcome back to campustech. In today's video we have Samsung A06 for unboxing. So let's unbox it and explore what is inside the box. So the packing is like in plastic material, which is now rare. So let's unbox it and let's cut the plastic thing and see what is the inside. So after peeling off this plastic, which is kind of lamination thing, fully laminated, you can see that. So now this is the box, but the box also has some seal on the corner, see? So let's cut this out and see what is inside the box. So let's look at this. This is the first look of the box. So inside the box you'll find standard things, which is opening, standard documentation like the user guide and all the stuff, and this is type C to C US cable, which is a standard cable, which is not the high quality one. So that's everything in the box, and let's unwrap the phone. Look at it, this is a paper thing. So when you open this, look, so here it is. So this is the first look of the A06. So that is how you, so let it turn on. Here is the first screen look. So before activate, so let's talk about a little bit about the body. So on the left side you'll find the same tray on the top. Other than same tray, nothing is here. So if you look at the bottom, so this is audio jack, which is 3.5 mm. This is type C, and that's the biggest speaker. While on the right side you'll find the volume up and down and the power button. And the cameras, it has a couple of cameras. So with the flashlight, and the big camera is the main camera is 50 megapixel with that, so which is very actually reasonable for those series, and very good actually. On the top you'll find the mic. So this is the body is kind of flat body, but it has some curved shape. On the back side you'll see this is a plastic, but that's a kind of braided back, you can see, but it's a plastic back. Look at the screen color, it's amazing display. Look at this. On the top you'll find the front camera, which is 8 megapixel. It's called selfie camera also. So let's go into the setting and see how big is the storage. So when you go into the setting, see, it is taking a little time to turn on. So when you go into the setting, go a little down, you'll find a little down in the device care, you'll find storage. So in the storage you'll see that is 64 GB with the 4 GB RAM. So and this, if we summarize this thing, it's 64 GB and 4 GB RAM, 64 GB memory and the 4 GB RAM, and which has the front camera has 8 megapixel, the back are 50, which is amazing actually. It has a couple of camera, one for the zoom and one for the videos. So that's for the main screen and everything. And the battery is also very good in it, which is 5000 mAh, which is very reasonable and very long lasting battery. So let's check the camera result, because they're claiming it is 50 megapixel. So let's turn on the camera and let's see how is the zoom. So look at the zoom. So that is the maximum zoom, which is also not giving the clear, which is on the 12 megapixel. If you turn into the 50, on the 50 you cannot zoom it, see. So you can only zoom on the 12 megapixel, which is a lower camera I think, and see, and the maximum zoom is 10x, and that's the result is kind of little blurry. It's not the very keen. So let's look at the video. With the video you can go with the maximum is 60 fps, not 4K included, nothing. So this phone is also compatible with the 5G. So if you have a 5G coverage, you can use very good internet in it. So overall this phone is very good. Other than I just got a couple of things. The front camera should be more, but it's a 8 megapixel, and the quality of the back and overall material is kind of basic, not the high end. But if you like that phone, let me know in the comments. And if you want to make any unboxing of any kind of phone, let me know in the comments. I will try to do that. And share if you like that video, thumbs up, share with your friend, and see you in the next video.